You're watching Enterprise Nation TV with O2 Business.
So it's interesting. Businesses ask, how do I keep accurate accounts? And it's really important. So you get into business, and before you know it, you've got to start dealing with things like VAT. So, within the space of a few months, every 3 months, you've got to start doing VAT returns, and it's got to be right. You've got to do your year-end accounts, you've got to do your tax returns. VAT is a particularly painful bit, because if you get that wrong, there's penalties, and there's you've got to then make sort of your payments, and it's quite expensive, and a lot of people struggle with that. What I would say to you is there's two ways of doing it, and I think if you're a really early startup, I would say get into the habit of kind of bookkeeping. So get a good system like a Xero, and start kind of booking your fees as you're doing it. So if you're at that kind of really, really early stage, the minute you start making money, I'd say, it's good to learn about that, but then make sure that if you're in the early stage, you need to be out there developing your product and selling it. Just get an accountant to deal with all the guff. Don't do bookkeeping yourself. Don't spend every Friday, Saturday dealing with your books. Get someone to do it at a reasonable cost, and it shouldn't cost the earth. Get them to deal with your management accounting. The key thing I see again and again is the people that have really accurate books, have got good information to hand, who understand their business, are the ones that just deal with the bookkeeping straight away. So the minute if you work with us, the minute you have an expense, you have an app on your phone, and you just take a picture of your expense. It comes to your accountant, and we do the booking for you. The minute you make a sale, we know about it because we've got those integrations. We then link into the business bank accounts as well. So let's say you're with Metrobank or HSBC. The minute sort of cash goes in there, we know about it, and we're reconciling it for you. So you've always got up-to-date information. But it's about dealing with it real time. That's the important thing.